Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to delete search history in YouTube application. So if you want to delete search history, so don't try to skip this video from any point, and if you are new on our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube application. After that, you have to click on profile icon on bottom right side. After that, you have to click on setting button on top right corner. Okay, here you can see setting button on top right corner. Click this button. After that, you have to click on manage all history button. Here you can see manage all history. Click this button. Okay, after that you will see this type of interface. Now you have to click on this delete button. Okay, here you can see delete button. Click this button. Now you have to click on delete all time. After that you have to click on delete button. After that your YouTube search history will be deleted. So by using this way you can delete your YouTube search history. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video.